Hello again, John with Traveler's Farm. Done a quick install of a Bestop Sunrider. Had these before, they work really well, packed really well. Come pretty much mostly all assembled, just minor parts to put together. Here, just pulling out the parts I don't need right now. These will be attaching the Sunrider to the Jeep. Got several small bolts and the two brackets, braces, whatever you want to call them, arms that go and attach it to the roll bar. Also has some Loctite and some small screws for the cable. Use an Allen bit. The tools within the Jeep itself will fit the bolts included. So here you see the directions, the two different brackets or braces, left and right, and they align pretty much can go only one way. And just looking at the Sunrider itself, it being upside down, easiest way to tell which way to go. The label Bestop will be facing upside down. Also, you'll have the two holes and the mounting locating pins that will align for the bolts. First step, attach the cable using the little nut and bolt combo. It's a pin, which it replaced the pin that used to be on these. Once you get it in place, just put a dab of Loctite in it, put the screw into it, and tighten it up. The Loctite will hold it till the cows come home. And the pin will rotate freely, which allows the top to not bind up. My last one, it was used, and the top did have some issues there in the corner where the pin did not rotate. Just a quick tightening up of these. They tighten in easily. Ready to install. Release the latches and pop out the freedom panels. Putting it in easier with two people. One person can do it no problem. I threw a tarp down just to keep from scuffing anything up. Set it in place, line it, and remove the tarp. That way it sets in and sits down nice and secure. Before this step, I did go through and clean the seals really well. Here you'll see the rubber molding. There is a notch where the freedom panel set into it, front and rear. And I'm just making sure they sit in there with no binding, not folding, not crinking or creasing the seals. Once that's aligned, you just flip the hinges underneath, put the bolts in, and they line right up very well. The rear ones do have the big washer goes around it. That's all there is to the side pieces. The rear, the big clamp, just figure out which way it goes. So these notches, which will go where the freedom panel's secure. And if you're standing in front of it, pulls down super easy, pops right in, and just have to make sure it's pushed with the back very well. The short bolts will not reach if you don't. And it aligns really well. Just zip the screws in, and you'll see here the notches, the little white section of the freedom panel sticking through, or the mount for the freedom panel. And to close it, just throw it forward. The first time I did it, and trying to do it one-handed works easily now, but the first time I needed to pull down on it a little bit. So open and close a couple times, then set right down much more smoothly. These latches are awesome. They work so easy. All you do is pull down and it releases to latch it. Push down in the center, then pull up on the handle, and that's it.